everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. So guys, I have a little bit different of a video for you today. I know many of you are going to be patiently waiting for my must-do deals video. I usually do on Wednesday, the first day of a sale. And of course, this is week 2 of our buy 6 or more, save 50 cents each mega sale that is happening. However, I'm actually out of town today. I'm pre-recorded this particular video. So I'm actually like in the hills of Tennessee. I'm near the Gatlinburg area. We're actually in Tremont, Tennessee. My daughter's 5th grade class had their 5th grade trip, and I am one of the chaperones. So today, while you're waiting on this mega sale video, I am actually hiking and looking at waterfalls and examining bugs and doing all kinds of crazy things out there. I am due back late tonight on the 6th back home, and I will be working on a must-do deals video to come out on Thursday. So do, make sure that you are subscribed to the channel so you get that video when it does pop up. I apologize, but this is week 2 of the sale, so a lot of those deals that we're having are still good from last week. So my recommendation, if you haven't seen them already, go back and watch all of the videos I've put out. I have 2 videos that have to do with the beauty and self-care event. I also have a couple of updated videos, plus a must-do deals video from last week, plus a haul video. So there's lots of Kroger videos that are going to talk about a lot of the items that are currently a part of the mega sale and a part of the sales this current week. So go check those out from last week if you haven't seen them already. If you have, just sit tight. I'll be with you, and I'll have a video for you very, very soon. So thank you so much for being supportive. And I might show you some pictures from Tremont when I get back, because it's going to be a fun trip. I'm really looking forward to doing it. I was actually supposed to do this 2 years ago with my son, and it was canceled because of COVID. So I'm really excited that at least I get to do this with my daughter. All right, guys, so let me show you the deal I have for you, so that way you can head to the store if you want to grab that deal, and then I'll be back with you on Thursday for more deals. So the deal I wanted to show you is part of the 5-time weekly digital deal. Now, again, because I am pre-recording this, I don't know if we have any extras that are not advertised. So this is just what is being advertised. There's some really great deals here. The Kinder Bueno bars there, I'm definitely going to be grabbing those for Easter baskets. 47 cents is a great deal. I also think the 32 ounces of cheese for $4.97 is a wonderful deal. Eggs are a little bit higher than what we're used to seeing for $1.47 on the weekly digital. So I'm a little disappointed in that price. $1.27 for sour cream cheese. Not cream cheese, sorry, cottage cheese, those types of things. A little bit higher. I like to see those more 99 cents, but everything is going up. So a savings is a savings. You just have to remember that. All right, so let me show you the matchup I have for you. So the Beyond Beef. This is a very, very expensive product. It's regularly priced $9.99. So in order to get this deal, you want to grab 3 of them. Now you could max it out and grab all 5 of them if this is something you use regularly. But if you want to do the fetch deal, you just need 3. Now they're on sale this week for $7.99, but when you use the 5-time weekly digital coupon, it's going to take it down to $5.97. So out of pocket for 3 of them, you'll pay $17.91. At that point, you can scan your receipt and submit it to Fetch for 3,000 points when you buy 3. Final cost is going to be $14.91 total, or just $4.97 each. So you're looking at a little over a 50% savings on this beef. And I got to be honest with you, the last time it was a part of the weekly digital, I did grab one, and it grossed me out at first. I did not like it, but then I ended up making it, and once it's turned, after you cook it, it actually looks like meat. It doesn't look like meat when you before you cook it. I'll just put it that way. But once you cook it, it looks like meat. It was actually really, really good, and I made chili with it, and my family said it was the best chili I've ever made. So it must be really, really good. So I'm looking forward to grabbing some more at a pretty decent price like this. Okay guys, I know this is all I have for you today, and I know you're super disappointed that I'm not putting out a must-do deals video, but I hope you all understand and that you'll be back tomorrow to see a real must-do deals video. Guys, have a wonderful mega sale day. If you have any deals, post them in the comments below and I'll get to them. Have a wonderful week, and I will see you later. Bye guys.